Today I'm going to show you how to use GCal Toolkit to export and print customized spreadsheets of Google Calendar events. So the first thing to do is to load up your calendar. So you can double click a calendar name and this will load all the events into GCal Toolkit. So to start with, I'm just going to print some basic columns. So I can press Ctrl C and decide which columns I'm going to display. So let's hide guests and the delete column. And also I'm going to add the meets, just as an example here. And while we're at it, let's filter for weekday events. So now I've set up the columns that I want to display, and on the file menu you've got save to spreadsheet. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to call it my test, and I'm going to put it on the desktop. And close the program. Now, here I've got my CSV file. Now I could open that in WordPad or any text editor, but that's not very pretty. So what I'm going to do now is go to Google Chrome, and I'm going to visit Sheets and make a new spreadsheet. So I'm going to call this one my test again. And on the file menu, you've got import, upload, and there's my file. So I'm going to import that. And you can just import data. So here now I've got a spreadsheet containing all that calendar data. So we can reorganize things a little bit. And you can drag the columns however you want. Now the dates, for example, let's take the start date. You might want to change the format for that. So you can select the column, format, and I'm going to go to number, and let's have that with day, month, and year, for example. Again, adjust everything as we want it to look. So once that's all ready to go, you can either save that and export it on the file menu, or you can just print it, and that'll print out a nice spreadsheet containing all your data formatted exactly as you want it. Thank you very much for watching.